With its smoking craters and sulphurous fumes, volcanoes make an unforgettable first impression. The ancient Romans believed it to be the chimney of the fire god Vulcan's workshop, but today it remains famous for its therapeutic mud baths and hot springs. Rather than mainland Italy, why not try something a bit different and more remote and make your way to the wonderful Aeolian Islands, where you can see active volcanoes. These are top 8 places that you can visit in the Aeolian Islands. Number 8. Stromboli. What to do in the Aeolian Islands? The island of Stromboli is undoubtedly the best known of the archipelago's islands. Stromboli's volcano is rightly known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean because every night lava erupts from the top and streams down from the Crater del Vulcano into the sea. Visitors usually come here to climb its 926-meter-high peak. After a rather difficult hike, you will be rewarded with a truly breathtaking experience and spectacular views. Don't miss out on this unforgettable adventure. It is definitely worth the effort. Number 7. Salina. If you are seeking a calm, authentic island lifestyle, far from the usual hustle of touristic activity, you can go to Salina. In the shade of its 2 extinct volcanoes grow the superb vineyards of the island of Salina. Nicknamed the Green Pearl of the Aeolian Islands, Salina is greener than its neighbors and is home to more than 400 different types of plants, including grapes of course, as well as olives and capers. The village of Malfa is the best place to stay here. There are 2 ports in Salina, Santa Marina and Ranella. Number 6. Panarea. Do you know the name of the island which is famous for having been one of the film locations of Michelangelo Antonioni's film Avventura? That is Panarea Island. Even though the island has in many ways lost its 70s aura, it is one of Italy's luxury tourism destination, famous for attracting a lot of celebrities. The island offers some incredible scenery and sublime views of Stromboli in the distance, as well as beautiful old hamlets, magnificent white villas, preserved seabeds, and breathtaking landscapes. Don't forget to take a short boat trip to the deserted islet of Basiluzzo, where you can swim in the translucent blue waters. Number 5. Volcano. Wondering what to do in the Aeolian Islands? You can visit Volcano, which is a volcanic island. It is undoubtedly one of the best known and appreciated islands of the archipelago. Volcano's beautiful black sandy beach attracts locals and visitors who enjoy basking in the sun. Don't miss the Valle dei Mostri, the Valley of Monsters, named after the strange rock and lava formations shaped by the wind and sea scattered across the black sand dunes. The place to stay in Volcano is the Therasia Resort, and the views from there across the sea to Lipari will blow you away. Number 4. The Crater of Vulcano. Volcano's best attraction is a trek up its 390-meter volcano. You should absolutely climb to the top of the fossa. Don't forget to bring a hat, sunscreen, and water. Once at the top, you will be rewarded with a fascinating view of the volcano's steaming crater, replete with fumaroles, as well as red and yellow sulfur crystals. The peak also offers superb views of the island of Lipari and the twin peaks of the island of Salina to the north. Number 3. Lipari. The main town of the Aeolian Islands is Lipari. It is best known for the Castello di Lipari, a 16th century castle built by Charles V. During your stay in Lipari, be sure to stride along the island's beautiful beaches and volcanic landscapes, and take the time to wander through the charming streets of the old Lipari. The narrow, cobbled alleyways are home to typical trattorias, where you can enjoy delicious pizza or pasta with freshly caught fish. It's also home to a can't-miss archaeological museum, known for its displays of some ancient shipwreck cargoes and, rather wonderfully, the biggest collection of mini ancient Greek theater masks in the world. Number 2. Filicudi. The island of Filicudi is a great choice to relax. Here, idleness is a way of life. Though the island does not have beautiful sandy beaches, you can always rest and enjoy the sea on the pebble beaches or on some well-chosen rock, and you can hike the island's winding paths. On the Filicudi's heights, discover old hamlets and enjoy magnificent panoramas, especially from the Filicudi viewpoint, offering splendid views of the Giafanti Rock Giafanti and Monte Nassari. Number 1. AliCudi. After visiting the most dramatic and awe-inspiring islands in the archipelago, why not take the time to relax and idle away in the sun? For this, you can go to AliCudi Island in the Aeolian Island. AliCudi stands out for its unique, calm atmosphere and rugged charm. Enjoy AliCudi's stony beach, an unspoiled, peaceful sunbathing and swimming spot. In AliCudi, it seems life hasn't changed the slightest bit during the past century. You can hear the braying of the donkeys, which are the island's main mode of transport. You can climb the hundreds of stone steps leading to the island's peaks, offering magnificent views of the sea below, or stride along the pebble shoreline. Please share your views about this video in the comments section. Do hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from around the world. We at Find Travel carry out a lot of research and talk to officials, residents, and travel guides to give you information that is true and accurate to help you find the best locations in the world where you can settle or visit. We are committed to providing you with the best possible information about pros and cons of different places around the world, so you can make an informed and sensible choice about where to reside or settle. Thanks for watching.